Hello everyone, and welcome back. Sounds like we're about to get a good old-fashioned Minnesota snowstorm. It started snowing about 4:30 this morning. It's just lightly snowing right now. All three of the local news channels are showing 7 to 10 inches today, and another 4 or 5 to 8 tomorrow. We're about 5 hours into the snow right now. It's still just lightly snowing. I think maybe an inch has fallen. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon and it's still snowing. It's hard to say how much has fallen though because there's so much wind that it drifts a lot. Like I'll be walking and it might be, it could be this deep or it could be just bare driveway. It'll be interesting to see what they say on the news eventually. According to my phone, there's 4 inches coming today, and it says 4 inches tomorrow, which means it dropped down tomorrow's amount. So I don't know what the total storm will be, but it has been snowing all day. I'm definitely gonna need to move some snow around once this all gets done. Good morning, everybody. Still snowing. I think it's time to go out there and push some of that snow. I thought about using the snow blower because there's so much drifted out there, but I'm just going to push it with the tractor right now, get it out of the way. It's cold out there though. The actual air temperature is only 2 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, which isn't bad, but the wind has it like 25 to 28 below 0 wind chill, which is still going to cause more drifting, but I need to get it moved. The plow already went. Right now it'd be hard to get out of the driveway. So I want to get some of this pushed out of the way before lunch, and then it can always be cleaned up later. The snow is actually pretty much stopped right now, but there's some more waves coming, but it's still only saying 3 more inches and we should be done. There's a lot of snow to move, but it's nasty out here. I guess I should have plugged the old girl in last night. She's not too happy about this. I'll come out and move the rest of the snow later. I'm gonna go in and have some lunch. Got some pretty big piles now. Well, I'm done with lunch, but it's snowing pretty good out there again, so might as well just wait. Well, let's take a drive and get the heck out of here for a few minutes and see where everybody else has been putting their snow. It's still snowing out, but the sun is trying to peek out. You can see that. Snowplow up there has us going pretty slow. Carmen's must not even be open, or I guess there is people there, but nobody's there really. Everybody must be staying home because of the snow. Lots of people out getting groceries. Roads are definitely icy underneath that. I just about slid through that intersection. Next week or whatever and do some snow removal, because now it's pretty much just a path. This is Main Street, so look at these piles of snow. Well, I'm heading back home now. I got a little tour of what everything looks like. Looks like the UPS people, or all the mail people, have more work today. Can't actually drive into all the driveways if it's not completely plowed out. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. That storm lasted about 36 hours and I'm sure it dropped at least 12 inches of snow. Going down to 20 below or colder tonight. I will see you guys on the next video.